Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block messages on Facebook. This is super easy to do, but there's a few things to note. Now I'm going to walk you through the steps to find how to block it, then I'm going to quickly explain. So to block messages on Facebook, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side, then click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings again, and from here you want to go ahead and type in blocking in the top search there. So I'm going to type in blocking and go ahead and click on blocking. Now you want to look for block messages and click on edit. Keep in mind that in order to block messages, you need to block a profile, right? Because people are who send in messages. So once you add someone to the block list, you will be able to block them. So you could approach this in two ways. You can either add them to block messages, simply means that they will not be able to post on your page or post on it any post, send you any messages, and so forth, right? So you can take this approach and basically add them in this section, and you can see what it actually mentions when he said that you are able to add them to the block list. So you block someone on the Facebook so they won't be able to contact you on Messenger, they won't be able to post on your profile or comment on any one of your or post on your profile or in your time or on your they won't be able to post on your timeline or comment or tag or do anything such of this manner that is related to posting. So all you have to do really is just simple add to block list and enter the name of the person that you want to basically block. And once you go ahead and enter that person, you will be able to add them to the block list, right? So that's what you have to do. As I said, alternatively, to block someone, you could also go to where it says block profile and pages and add someone to the block list by simple typing in their name, and you'll be able to see them in the list, and you'll be able to block them. Keep in mind that if you want to block someone by messages, those people have to already be a part of your friend list. You're not able to block someone in messages if they're not a part of your friends list. However, you can block someone randomly who's not in your friend list. So if the person is not in your friend list, you could come here to you could choose the option block profile and pages and just search for anyone randomly. Let's say I want to search for Peter. I can type it in and it's going to find all Peters around that I can hit block for, and that's basically it. However, if this person is not in my friends list and I want to block their messages, if I come to block messages and click add, it will not find anyone named Peter because there's no Peter in my friends list. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.